How to download and install CapCut. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. If you're wondering how you can install your CapCut in your mobile device, it is pretty simple. If you're using an Android device, just tap open your Play Store. In your Play Store, in the search bar, search for CapCut. If you have not installed CapCut in your device, instead of this update or uninstall button, you will find a button called Install. All you need to do is simply click on the Install button, and after a couple of minutes, your CapCut will be installed and downloaded in your device. Now, you need to sign in into your CapCut, which you can easily do by linking with the Google, Facebook, or more as well. Once you have successfully created your very own CapCut account, you'll be able to edit, create videos and more. For some reason, if your CapCut is not working out, follow this next step. Open up your phone settings. In your phone settings, scroll down and tap on System Update. After which you need to make sure your system is up to date so that your device supports the latest version of the application. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.